What if you could unlock the future of technology today? These gadgets are not only cool, but super useful. Get ready to see gadgets that could make your life easier, safer, and a whole lot more fun. Security tag remover. Get rid of annoying tags. Ever bought clothes with a security tag still on them? The security tag remover can help. While it doesn't work on all tags, it can save you from the hassle of setting off alarms at the store. It's a small tool that could come in handy if you're ever in a situation where the tag just won't come off. Just be sure the items are legally purchased, as it's not meant for stealing. HackyPie, a mini coding playground. Want to learn how to code or experiment with programming? HackyPie is a compact USB device that lets you do just that. It's built on the Raspberry Pi platform and supports various programming languages, making it a great tool for beginners and experienced coders alike. You can use it to create custom programs, explore databases, or even try out encryption methods. It's perfect for anyone wanting to get hands-on with coding, and it's priced around $60. Lawmate CM-TC10-A hidden camera in your tie. Need a discreet way to record video without anyone noticing? The Lawmate CM-TC10 is a stylish tie clip with a hidden camera. It captures 480p video and includes a sensitive microphone to record clear audio. It's perfect for those who need to record covertly, whether it's for a meeting, interview, or investigation. At a reasonable price, it's the perfect blend of fashion and function. GSM Jammer, block radio signals. The GSM Jammer is a powerful tool designed to block radio signals and prevent eavesdropping. It works by creating a noise field that interferes with devices like car alarms or spy microphones within a 50-meter radius. It's small, portable, and effective, and it's ideal for protecting your privacy in public places. Just turn it on, and it's ready to stop unwanted signals in their tracks. Emergency beacon. Stay visible in an emergency. If you're ever stuck in an emergency situation, the emergency beacon can make all the difference. This small device attaches to your windshield and flashes bright LED lights in blue and red, making it highly visible to anyone nearby. It's a simple but effective tool for alerting others to your presence, especially in situations where visibility is crucial. It's like having a mini police light to keep you safe, and it's easy to use when you need it the most. Smart window tint. Keep your car cool. Smart window tint is a great addition to your car if you want to keep it cool and protected from the sun's harmful rays. It blocks out UV and infrared radiation, which helps keep your car's interior cool and prevents fading of materials like plastic and leather. It also reduces glare, making it easier to drive without straining your eyes. While it's banned in some countries, it's still a popular option for those who want more comfort and privacy. Plan B. Window opener. Emergency access tool. Locked out of your apartment or house? The Plan B window opener could be your lifesaver. Originally designed for emergency services, it allows you to open most standard windows and doors without causing any damage. It's a simple tool with a minimalist design, but it's highly effective when you need access quickly. Whether you're locked out or need to help someone in an emergency, this tool gets the job done. At $235, it's a solid investment for anyone who wants peace of mind in an emergency. Weapon Katana, the stylish self-defense tool. Looking for a way to protect yourself while staying stylish? The Weapon Katana is a unique self-defense tool that combines the look of a katana sword with a discreet and functional design. It's perfect for those who want a cool gadget that also offers protection. Whether you're carrying it for personal safety or as a collector's item, this sleek and sharp tool could come in handy in an emergency situation. It's a great mix of form and function. Self-defense gloves. Punch with power. These self-defense gloves are more than just regular gloves. They're made to pack a punch. Equipped with hidden knuckle protection, they allow you to defend yourself while keeping your hands safe. They are perfect for people who want to be prepared for dangerous situations without carrying weapons. Whether you're walking home late or simply want an extra layer of security, these gloves are both practical and discreet. Spot X. Stay connected. Anywhere. Have you ever been out in the wilderness or in a remote area without a phone signal? The Spot X is a device that lets you stay connected no matter where you are. Whether you're hiking in the mountains, sailing the open seas, or camping in the middle of nowhere, Spot X uses satellite technology to send messages and track your location. It's a lifesaver in emergency situations, and with its reliable GPS and two-way messaging system, it can help keep you safe even in the most isolated spots. Flipper Zero, the ultimate hacker tool. Imagine having a tool that can unlock locks, control home devices, and even duplicate access cards, all in the palm of your hand. That's Flipper Zero. This little device works with radio signals and can control everything from magnetic locks to infrared gadgets. It's a dream for hackers and gadget enthusiasts. And with a simple joystick and a long battery life, it's ready to go wherever you do. At just $99, it's a tool you won't want to miss. Y-Phone, free calls, no carrier needed. Tired of paying sky-high cell phone bills? The Y-Phone might be your solution. This phone works entirely on Wi-Fi and uses the SIP protocol to make free calls. Plus, you can customize it to your heart's content, making it a fun DIY project. It's perfect for anyone who wants a phone without the expensive contracts. You can even turn it into a radio-controlled car. Starting at $114, this is one gadget that won't break the bank. Night Watchman, listening device. Ever wish you could hear something from a far distance, like a conversation happening across the street? The Night Watchman, listening device, lets you do just that. It picks up sound from up to 91 meters away and features noise reduction technology for clear sound capture. Whether you're a detective or just someone who needs a bit of privacy, this tool will ensure you don't miss a thing. It's a game changer for those who need a little extra ear power. Stinger, your speed trap, secret weapon. If you're someone who drives fast and hates speeding tickets, the Stinger Jammer is your best friend. It blends into your car's interior and helps prevent radar from detecting your speed, making it harder for speed traps to catch you. While not legal everywhere, it's a popular choice for those who want to avoid fines. At $60, it's a small price to pay for a bit of peace on the road. ATM Skimmer, high-tech theft device. Imagine a device so small and discreet that it could steal your ATM card data without you even knowing. That's the ATM Skimmer. Used by criminals to collect data from your card's magnetic stripe, this device sends your information to a remote location. While it's illegal and unethical, it's still a fascinating piece of tech used by some for covert operations. HU-83, Turbo Decoder, high-security lockpicker. The HU-83 Turbo Decoder is a tool made for pros, designed to unlock high-security locks on cars, homes, and safes. This tool is tested on tough locks like those found in luxury cars, so it's reliable and effective. It's not something just anyone can use. It requires skill and precision, but for the right person, it's a game changer. If you've ever been locked out of your car or safe, this could be the tool you need. R-Plate, the smart license plate. Want a license plate that changes color and can even display custom messages? Enter R-Plate, the smart license plate. Controlled by a mobile app, it can adjust to whatever look you're going for. It's tamper-proof and works in extreme temperatures. At $499, it's a cool way to stand out on the road and add a little tech flair to your car. License plate flipper. Hide your plate with the push of a button. Sometimes you just need to conceal your license plate fast. With the license plate flipper, you can do that instantly. At the push of a button, the plate flips down to hide your registration. Whether you want to be incognito or just prefer a little privacy, this gadget is a slick way to stay low-key. Reflecticles. Stay visible and hidden. Reflecticles are glasses that help you stay safe in low-light conditions while also protecting your identity. They reflect light to make you more visible at night, but they also block infrared cameras from picking up your face. Perfect for those who want to avoid being tracked, these glasses are both stylish and functional, starting at $85. Rabbler White Noise Generator. Keep your conversations private. Need to keep your conversation safe from eavesdroppers? The Rabbler White Noise Generator is here to help. It creates background noise that masks your voice, making it difficult for anyone to listen in. Whether you're at a cafe or in a meeting, simply place the Rabbler on the table to keep your talks secure. It's a must-have for privacy-conscious people. Phone Safe Summit N G4200. Block eavesdropping. The Phone Safe Summit NG4200 is the perfect gadget for blocking phone microphones and preventing eavesdropping. This device uses ultrasonic interference to stop modern smartphones from recording your conversations. Just place the phones in the designated compartment and you're safe from prying ears. It's the ultimate device for keeping your private talks private, priced at $1,041. Tamagotchi, the hacker's Tamagotchi. Remember Tamagotchi, the digital pet you had to take care of? Tamagotchi is the hacker's version. This little device learns and adapts to its surroundings, helping you crack secured networks. Powered by a Raspberry Pi, it's a fun way to practice your hacking skills. It's a quirky and effective tool for anyone interested in cybersecurity. Spider 3 Arctic, a laser that will blow your mind. The Spider 3 Arctic is not your average laser. It's incredibly powerful, capable of lighting matches, melting plastic, and even making wood smolder. It's a 2-watt handheld laser that's perfect for tech enthusiasts. Just remember, always wear protective goggles and never point it at anyone. This laser is no joke. Smart home camera. Compact and powerful. Need a camera that fits in your pocket but still records in full HD? The smart home camera does just that. It's small enough to carry around but offers great video quality with noise reduction. It can even rotate 180 degrees for the perfect angle. Whether you're using it for security or just capturing moments, this compact camera is an impressive tool at a low price of $18. Simor, the multi-SIM adapter. If you're someone who needs multiple phone numbers, Simor is a must-have. This clever adapter lets you use up to 8 SIM cards in one phone. Switching between numbers is fast and easy, making it perfect for international travel, managing work and personal calls, or just keeping your contacts separate. It's an affordable and game-changing device for anyone who needs more than one number. And there you have it. From high-tech spy gadgets to everyday tools with a twist, these 25 gadgets are all pushing the limits of what we thought was possible. Whether you're into hacking, security, or just love cool tech, there's something here for everyone. What will you get your hands on first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing gadget reveals. See you in the next video.